Detailed performance allows us to share the best practices between drillers, and it really does. Our drillers are no longer having to focus on making sure the shot report's accurate on an instant-by-instant basis, and they're paying more attention to just how their drilling is going and able to adjust the parameters that they need with the knowledge that the drill is recording what needs to be done. Training new drillers, we can focus on actual operation of the equipment, not necessarily how to fill out the drill log as well. And improve over time, they can see how their penetration rates and their productivity improves over time and how long they actually drilled. It's all quantifiable and not subjective anymore. Different tooling. As your tooling wears out or it needs to be resharpened or wears down, Measure Well Drilling will tell you, hey, my penetration rate's slowing down, and this is the reason why. It also will tell you in a very measurable way what is the best suited tooling that you need. Do you need a carbide button bit? Do you need drag bits? Do you need a ballistic bit? Do you need round buttons? And it helps to really narrow down the best productivity for that area that you're drilling in. It helps prevent downtime. You see the productivity of that drill dropping off. It's quantifiable. It's recorded. And you also can measure the performance of new and different changes you make to whether or not you use carbide buttons or if you use ballistic or items like that. And it allows you to measure and actually quantify it a lot better. Continual improvement process. This is really important. Time to drill the shot is based upon footage and bench prior experience, and now we record it and store it digitally. And it's no longer that the driller was down for a half hour, it was he's waiting for fuel is why it took me longer to drill a shot. I know why it took me longer to drill a shot. I see his actual penetration rate. Did he get stuck in the hole? What happened there? So pre-drilling routines, you can constantly improve how much time is going to take to the drill this bench. Bit life expectations. You'll be able to actually record how long my bits are actually footage, am I having to regrind and everything else with our bits. And the pre-drilling improvements on this is a big deal.